Because here we're going to be playing Military Tycoon. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to the video. And let's get our plot. And just touch the plane. Okay. We're gonna... Oh. We already have plenty. Let's go. Oh, wait. Let's just get all these. What? How much money do I have? Did I just glitch the game? Oh, it's because I have a lot of money. I did not know. Let's just turn it on to red so nobody can come in and steal our stuff. And okay, we're gonna go upstairs and buy some stuff. We got 22K, which we can buy a pistol, a revolver, weapons room, a lot of stuff. Wait a second. I thought I just saw something, but it's okay. And you see it right now. We just got 36K. Wait, is that a really good gun, guys? Nah. Oh, a flash bomb? I'm just not gonna take anything here now. Except just a shotgun and maybe the SMG. And we're gonna take off all of this stuff out. Let's see. This is really good. But oh, we just got 46K. Okay, so we're just gonna get the third floor. But it's maybe not shit. But let's buy this. Okay. Someone's shooting at us. Who is that? Oh. Okay. We just hit him it's really low maybe. Oh, we just hit 10 each. I would say when it's close range, right next to him, it would take so much. Oh, and gee, someone just died right in front of us. I try to get all our coins and monies and guns. Just trying to get out this heat. Wait, dual SMGs? These gotta be good. Assault rifle? Holy. We got. Okay. And we're gonna go down. Okay, so we're gonna take this red gun. It could be a rifle. OMG. I'm the best at sniping. But that rifle's not snipe good. Oh, we could just use that. Oh nah, we just killed our own self. Oh no! Bro, it resets our stuff. That's annoying. I don't like stuff resetting. Okay. Let's get our stuff back. SMG, all this. Okay. And also, we're called a surgeon. That's cool. Snipe some people. Is there anyone want to get sniped? Sniped? OMG, someone maybe on top. Is someone up here? I swear I just saw that fire. Okay. Oh, we just need 20K. Okay. I'll just save up. We just bought a ladder. Oh, artillery king. Okay, that's cool. We're gonna go down here and get all the money from. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of stuff up there. A military jeep. Okay, let's just try that later. Okay. Buy berry rolls. OMG. Look at her base now. With the outside, it's way better. And there's still a lot of stuff, like fruits. Wait, you try to click here. Wait a second. We could just, like, all click this. So I can get, like, 100 runs. It gives me 1. Or something. We gotta buy our barrier gate. Ooh. We don't die. I used to do good with the, like, the cars into their bases. But I couldn't get in fully. Oh, there's like 100 people out here. Let's try this. Whoa. His base has a helicopter? Oh. Who just shot a rocket in the sky? Who did that? That's our base. Let's drive in. I hope we didn't. Oh, we didn't. Let's park our car. Oh, the best parking. I'm just kidding. Oh, 114K. What can we do with that? And this shotgun might be good for later. Buy shooting targets. OMG. What is this? Oh, no you don't. Get out of here. Is that the guy that usually... Just go away. I want to snipe this guy. It's so hard because it's dark. OMG. Stop parking your car in here. I had enough of you. Let's go. We just exploded him. Now it's our helicopter. But it's gonna just despawn it. Let's go to his base. I think this is. Oh, why is everyone landing there? Oh, helicopters out here. Bro, this gotta be the same guy. There's like no way. Oh. Oh. Oh, stop landing at our base. We're just killing them by the rockets. These are rockets are good. Okay. Let's just get down to here. I hope nobody can. Oh. Nah. We just got pointed at him. Okay. Let's just. Is someone moving in? No. Who is landing their car? Like, I mean, helicopters out here. Their helicopters are just not despawning. Let's check. Oh. I didn't. Okay, so the guy that, like, despawned the place, and he glitches in someone else's base. Wait, do we still have helicopter controls? OMG. We just died. Wow. Okay. I thought we had his helicopter controls on the top before we died. We just got 200K. What can we do with that? Okay, let's just buy this helicopter pad. 100K for a helicopter. And, oh, we can't buy that. Oh, wait, we still have a helicopter at our base. Please. Let's go. We got a helicopter. Let's just snipe some. Do we try to do something? Oh, why would we? We just gotta. Bruh, that other helicopter was broken, so we just landed out there. Oh, let's just explode this guy. OMG, did I just one-shot him? I thought it used to like do like 5 or 42k. I'm just kidding, it doesn't do 42k. Come on! Okay. Our left click is on cooldown. And click. That guy killed him. Who just damaged us that much? Oh, it's another helicopter. Stop landing at our base! How many helicopters does there have to be? Like 100? Did we kill him? Still dropping it. Oh! I thought I fell. Let's get down. Get down. And then fire at it. Oh, no. It didn't hit. It hit everywhere else. Okay, so we just spied this really cool power gun. I think we have to press that. What's that do? OMG explodes. And reloads so fast? There's no way. Why is there someone in our base? He's trying to place a landmine. Come on, shotgun. Okay. OMG, we just killed him. Finally. This guy was just... Everyone goes to our base. Oh, that's annoying. And we're also called the Surgeons. Ooh, la. Let's go down here so we can buy more stuff. I think we have enough. OMG, after all. This is my favorite place. The rocket launcher. The best gun in the game. So explode. These are good on me. I would say the third one. This one that I'm wearing. Actually looks good on me. OMG, why is there so much stuff and we got the best base, mate?
Good at it.
That's good.
And you're gonna say, guys, check out our amazing parking. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so guys, check out our missile tank parks. It's really good. And let's get in our base and get more money so we can get more cool stuff. Like 242k. What can we do? Let's just buy a flag. What is this? A boring flag for just like 15k, but it's okay. OMG, we just got armor tank. Let's just drive this thing. It looks so cool. Wait, this left click is the far. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to the video. And bye.